couch. Ditch all the chores. Let's go for an adventure in the mighty outdoors.
G'day, I'm Mighty. Welcome to the Mighty Outdoors. Alright, new dive spot, Sire's Tunnel. Here we go. Let's go get amongst it. Right here, you know where. Where are we? The Mighty Outdoors. Ulong Channel. Yeah. Ulong Channel in groper season. Right here at the Mighty Outdoors. Thank you for joining me. Well, that was absolutely incredible. Yeah. It was like swimming in the fish section of the supermarket. Oh, I've heard of drive-through, but never dive through. Anyway, tell you what, you should come here to pristine Palau and come and see this for yourself. So, without any further ado, thanks for joining me in the Mighty Outdoors, and I can't wait to see you next time, right here, pristine Palau or somewhere else, right here in the Mighty Outdoors. Hooroo!